Okay, for just a few minutes, let's forget all the science, forget the explanations. We're going on a journey, a purely visual one, right into the heart of one of the most incredible wonders on our planet. This is the story of the Aurora Borealis, but we're one to tell it entirely through the eyes of someone standing right there beneath it all. It all starts with a kind of promise, doesn't it? Just imagine you're out there in the deep, freezing quiet. You look up and you see this, a huge, dark sky just filled with stars. And you wait. But on some nights, well, that patience really pays off. But to really truly appreciate what's about to happen, we first have to understand the stage. I mean, this isn't just any old night sky. This is the Arctic. The world just feels enormous out here, doesn't it? It's all covered in this deep blanket of snow, and the only light is from the moon. It's this landscape of just profound silence, where the only thing you hear is the crunch of your own boots. It's absolutely impossible not to feel, well, small. And that's really the key. This silence, this vast emptiness, it's not actually empty at all. It's more like a blank canvas, perfectly prepped and ready for the main event. So from that silent stage, we're going to shift our gaze away from the horizon and look straight up, because that's where the very first hint of magic starts to appear. You've been waiting, right? Maybe for hours. Your fingers are numb, but your eyes are just glued to the stars. So what is the reward for all that patience? This. This is what happens. And at first, you almost don't even trust your eyes. You're thinking, is that a cloud? Is that just a trick of the light? It's this faint, almost shy little streak of green. It's just a whisper, a little promise that the show is about to get started. And then that whisper becomes a roar. The real performance begins, and honestly, it is nothing short of a celestial dance across the entire dome of the sky. And that change, that escalation, can be just breathtakingly fast. What's happening is that charged particles from the sun are hitting our atmosphere, and that subtle little streak can erupt totally without warning into this vibrant, moving curtain of light that fills your whole vision. You can see the transformation right here. I mean, just look at it. On the left, you've got that first tentative little brush stroke, and on the right, wow, a full-blown spectacle. The intensity, the shape, the brightness, it's like watching a quiet little melody just explode into a symphony. And the thing is, this light isn't just static. It moves. It feels, well, it feels alive. You're standing there watching these enormous ribbons of green energy twisting and turning right above you, almost like these giant spirits dancing way up in the atmosphere. You know, sometimes the aurora doesn't just appear in a perfectly clear sky. It actually interacts with the clouds, weaving in and out of them, and it creates this incredible sense of depth and scale. The clouds themselves become part of this amazing painting. And when it's at its peak, it can feel like you're looking at a vast river of light, just flowing from one horizon all the way to the other. You literally can't see it all at once. You have to turn your head, look all around you just to try and take it all in. But what does all of this actually feel like from our perspective, standing down here on the frozen ground? Well, that's where the real sense of wonder kicks in. See, when you see a person in the same frame as this cosmic event, the scale suddenly becomes real. You get this sudden, really profound sense of your own tiny place in the universe. You're just a little spectator watching this immense, silent, beautiful display. It's a total perspective shift. All the noise, all the little things from daily life, they just fall away. Out here, under a sky like this, you feel connected to something so ancient and so much bigger than yourself. And in that moment, really, what else is there to do? You can't control it. You can't fully understand it. And this image captures it perfectly. Sometimes all you can do is just stand there in complete awe, maybe point up at the heavens, and simply watch. Ultimately, seeing the aurora is one of those moments that words just can't fully capture. It leaves you feeling connected to the planet and to the cosmos in a way that's really hard to describe. So we'll just leave you with this thought. What moments in your own life have left you truly, absolutely speechless?